Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dirtnation Offroad. So today we are back out in Azusa Canyon for an update, highlights, shenanigans, chingaderas, desmadre, fun. Now, it's been a while since we've been in Azusa. Same old story, same old song and dance. We're here to give you guys a much needed update. Hey, we got some cool things happening in the park just today. So the past couple months, they've been doing their work on the inside and everything. They've had a big berm up. You can't go into the rest of the park. Well, today that berm comes down, and we're going to be checking out how the rest of the park looks. Hopefully there's some good mud. Hopefully there's some good things going on. It's just me right now. Got Winters here. I'm getting her hair down, ready to go. Got a couple of the fellas inside. We're going to go check it out. I'm going to keep it short. Let's wheel. Cylinder's leaking, so I might lose my clutch today. We'll find out. Fuck it. Here's today's entertainment. Mr. Magneto's here. Fucking Jaime's here. And then look, Manny's over there. So, all right. We have an entertainment for today. Damn, bro, you bringing your subwoofer or what? Or are you taking it out?
I'm taking it out. I'm taking my little JBL.
Little. He's taking his little JBL. Yeah. You don't want to see the big one. First water crossing. You guys know how it goes. This is like the most fallest water crossing I've ever been on. Look at the orange. Merry Thanksgiving-ish. Not today, Satan. Not today. Good to be back. Good to be back. Slam shift. Second. Give me a second. Nope. Second. You see this big old berm wall? Mr. Gorbachev tore down the wall, at least in one spot over there where that Bronco is, and that is where we're going to cross over, because now we have access to the entire park, which should make for some good muds. Good muds. Good muddy. Shut up. All right, let's see what's going on here. Uncharted territory, meow. Where's the good stuff? Where is the good stuff? Let's go up here. Somebody lost their dog. Looks like I got some moon action right today. Fucking silk. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Party's over there. Oh shit. last words. You tell me.
Wait, how do you know about it?
I could see it sitting back there. What do you mean? How do I know?
Oh, you cut the windshield? Damn, dude, that was stupid.
What'd you do? Did you put it on the lid? Oh shit!
That's bad. Done.
Well, she's not done, but
Yeah, done.
you couldn't wait for us to get here.
He was too overconfident. That's what happened.
Yeah. Ending our day at the obstacle course. We're usually start here, but we're gonna end it today. Manny's gonna give us some crawling techniques. Very good. What? He lit the tire right there. Chingas! Okay. Yes. God damn it. Throw that bastard in there, it's gonna lift them up. Watch. You ready? I'm not. Turn passenger! Let's try that again. Oh, fuck! Oi! George, get out of the way! Passenger! Passenger, go straight.
Straight. Passenger, then straight. There you go. Passenger, a little bit. Tighten down. There you go. Yeah, this is a matter of inches.
All right, I think that's going to wrap us up here for Azusa Canyon shenanigans, highlights, all the above. Hey, it is a good time to come out to the park right now. We're wide open, and we're going to be like this, you know, until the foreseeable future, probably for the next couple months. But the key is, once we start to have some rain, the water level is going to come up, and it's going to kind of push us back to where we're not going to be able to play in the good mud. So we got some good mud for the next couple weeks, so look forward. We'll be coming out. I know a lot of the heavy hitters, a lot of guys are going to be coming out. We're going to pump some water. We got some rain coming this week, so hopefully it doesn't rain too much. Maybe enough to create some good mud, but not enough to fill up the whole place with water. So should be a good time. Stay tuned. We'll be coming back. Hopefully you guys can come out with us. Go have some fun. Come check out the park, all that shenanigans. But that's going to be it for this one. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make subscribe, channel, follow Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Patreon. This is for sure. Tats, hoodies, and all those goodies. Dirtnation Offroad, BigCartel.com. Until next time, thank you guys. Let's get it.